What's up everyone? Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. We wanted to shoot a quick video to explain the process of how we know if our helical piers, after we install them on a structure, how we know if the helical piers or that area of the structure are settling. And what we call this is, we call it benchmarking. This is something that we typically offer on our first round of annual maintenance, which is typically when we install it for the helical piers. What we do is we come and we set benchmarks above each pier. We drill and we'll put just a little tiny screw into the brick or mortar of your home. We'll put it down low to where you don't see it. We'll take some measurements, we'll put it on a chart, a graph. We'll store that in our system so that if you have issues in the future, we can come out and remeasure and see if it's our area that is sinking or settling, if it's our helical piers, or if it's something else. The reason we started doing this, what we find a lot of times is the areas that we stabilize, which is typically one corner of the house, the area that we put helical piers in. What we typically find is we'll install helical piers, we'll lift or stabilize, whatever you, the customer, would like us to do. And then after that, you will have a brick mason or somebody patch those cracks that's in your brick home. A year down the road, when the rest of the house continues to settle, those cracks are gonna open back up. And the first thing that you're gonna wanna ask is our piers, the work that you paid us to do, are they an issue? Are they sinking? Are they settling? What we have found is 100% of the time it is not our work. It is the rest of the house that's settling, which could mean you need more piers in other areas. It could just mean that it's normal settlement. As long as the rest of the house is settling together and not what we call differential settlement, then you might be fine. But a lot of customers get concerned when they patch those cracks and they see those cracks open back up. And a lot of times they call us because at the end of the day, helical piers are not cheap, and you've paid an expensive price to have a company such as us install them. You want to be able to have the confidence that they're holding up to what they were supposed to hold up to. This process is called benchmarking. This is how we do it. Measurements, we store that measurement, store that information on your customer file within our software, and we keep that forever. And anytime you have questions, we're happy to come back out. Hopefully this video helps answer that question, and we'll see you next time.